Uma muthenya wa gikeno kuri aikari a kaunti ya Bomet, kuria kambuni ya utungata wa ukinyaniria Safaricom igucerete ikigayana gikeno kiao na aikari a mwena ucio. Kambuni ino igukungwira miaka 24 kuma mambiririe kuheana motungata ma ukinyaniria bururi-ini.
Kwa Safaricom kutukumbuka baada ya miaka 24 ya huduma zao. Tumeona mabadiliko, speed ya internet imeongezeka na mambo ya kusambaza pesa kwa M-Pesa imerahisishwa.
Itanya ria mubango wa Sambaza Furaha hikrisi ni gukungwira na Kenya ngurani kuria Safaricom ikuheanaga indo itiganite ta mburi, nguku na ingi gatagati-ini ka iheo ingi kuri muingi iri ta njira ya gukenera mambura ma thiguku ya Christmas.
And especially now that it is Christmas, you always tend to find there's a spike in terms of fraud cases. So we're just trying to, drive the awareness that a customer needs to take the moment to just, dig deeper. Some of the triggers that you need to look out for so that you can know it is fraud. 1, do you know the person that is contacting you? 2, is it a bit too urgent and yet there's nothing urgent that has been happening to you around, Number 3, are they trying to get you to do things in a confusing manner? Are they telling you one too many stories as opposed to going directly to the point of what they want you to do?
Yoyo utanyite kugerera icigo-ini itiganite bururi-ini magikenanira na akenya kuria mekurikiriria Mwago uyu muciĩ-ini munene wa Nairobi.
Safaricom.
Tutatembea Rift Valley mzima kuanzia Narok, twende Bomet, twende Kericho, twende Nandi, Eldoret, mpaka tumalizie Nakuru.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Jerry Wanjoro.